Well, hey everyone. So the physical copy of my new book just came. It's looking pretty great. One thing I have had a couple people ask me already is like, so is this a book for developers or DBAs or what? And that's kind of part of the idea of it being for job seekers, is it really covers a lot of areas while focusing kind of on the core MongoDB skills. So in the first 3 chapters or so, we focus on what a database is and the difference between relational, traditional databases like SQL and MongoDB's document model, as well as job roles that need or want MongoDB skills, and kind of the chapters you might want to focus on depending on your desired role. And then we go on to installing MongoDB and running it and all that. And then in the next few chapters, we talk about querying and how to structure your data and more advanced querying as well using the aggregation framework. And then we delve into subjects like indexes and importing and exporting data, security and backups, and monitoring and scaling MongoDB through replication and sharding. So those are all things really anyone using MongoDB probably is going to want to know, both DBAs and developers. But then in the next couple chapters, we go into programming with MongoDB in a couple different languages, and as well as MongoDB Atlas, which is MongoDB's cloud services. And we even build a simple React app using MongoDB Atlas's application services. So that's all really useful, even if you're just kind of wanting to know if that's something you want to work with. And then there's an entire chapter devoted to interview-like questions and possible solutions or answers to that. And each of those reference back to the chapter and section in the book where we talked about that. So you can kind of reference back there and refresh yourself or kind of test your retention of the content in the book. And then we wrap up with a few things like GridFS for storing large files and transactions and change streams, which are pretty cool if you don't know about them. So yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, why don't you go ahead and get a copy, and you can pick and choose the chapters you're interested in, or focus on them and use them as a reference. Or just read everything on your way to becoming an expert. So yeah, you can check out my website, learnmongo.com, and that has links to buy at different places. You can get it from the publisher, BPB, on Amazon or barnesandnoble.com. Amazon might correct job seekers to 2 words, so just put a quote around job seekers. It's just 1 word. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the book. Again, I'll be doing some videos over the course of the next couple weeks on the different chapters. Yeah, so you can keep track of that on learnmongo.com as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the book.